attempt to replace the liftgate actuator. Here is the part number. It is 84183515. Alright, let's start by trying to get this liftgate open first. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is what it does.
Why does it do that? Why does it do that? Well, why does it do that?
We're going to try to force it open now. Boom. So the ladder solves that issue. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and try to attempt to take out these little hooks with this little pick and some pliers.
Can I go under the car now?
Not under the car, but you could go. Comes out just like that. Okay, hold on, baby. I am busy right now. There you go. And that comes out. As you guys can see, all you have to do is kind of mess with it, pull it, and it comes out. Same thing with the other one.
What?
And you can see where this one breaks. That's the reason why it doesn't work. It broke right there. So here's the new one. You can see the new ones, the clips are pushed in. So we are gonna have to, first I'm gonna try to attempt to just force it in, kind of clip it in. If that doesn't work, we're gonna take them out and then do the opposite of what we did to take them off. Oh yeah, it went right in. Right in. So this one should go right in also. Can't be that easy. What's up? Let me see this one. Moment of truth. Alright, and there it is. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. I just woke up. It was a pleasant surprise that it just took literally 5 minutes, if that. So, alright guys, that was my video. Sorry for the appearance. You guys have a good one.